Salam. In this video, we're going to learn how to create verbs from nouns and adjectives using the suffixes la and la. Hazır means ready. Hazır. Hazırla means to make ready, to prepare. Hazır, ready. Hazırla, prepare. Parça means piece. Parça. Parçala means to cut into pieces. Parça, piece. Parçala, to make into pieces. İş means a job. İş. İşle means to work. İşle. Göz means eye. Göz. Gözle means wait. Gözle. And that's how you can use suffix